These are called I'm Done drawers in my classroom, and these are optional activities that the kiddos can do when they are done with anything in my room. They're different themed monthly activities. I have all of them on TPT, and I just want to show you what you could do for your early finishers. I've seen some friends put them in a kind of crate situation, so when kiddos are done, they can come and get them. I really don't have to explain it more than once because it's the same activity with just different numbers or a different scale. This is Graph It, so every month these items change. They need to count, write their tally marks, and then graph by shading how many they counted. This is Space Maze, so they need to help the astronaut out by solving all the problems to escape space. So now they're reviewing their double-digit addition, so they solve and then they draw a line until they finish and solve the maze. This is Rock and Roll. They always need a dice for the Rock and Roll challenge, reviewing our double-digit addition. So they will roll two numbers, stack their numbers, and solve 100 chart skills, such as -1 + 1, -10 + 10. This is problem solving, and they have a word problem where they have to do their steps, write an answer statement, draw the correct model, and then solve it. Word problem, problem solving skills. Spot It is the next early finisher, and this one's super easy. They just count and color, so they just write how many they colored, and it's just a fun count and color. Again, every month the items change. This next one is Puzzle Math. We have they have to solve the problems, then they flip to the next page, and they find the answer in the corner. They will cut out that correct answer and glue it, and when they finish, they'll have a full complete picture that they can color. This is Picture Math. They have different symbols and different equations where they have to figure out what symbol represents which number. So month, this also changes. This is Math Mystery, and Math Mystery is going over a past skill, which is double-digit addition. They solve it, then they use the correct letter to answer the riddle. This last one is called the Puzzle Challenge or Logic Puzzles. These are really simple and really easy for even my lower kiddos to figure out. They just tell them clues and they have to go through and figure out which person goes with which subject or which animal depending on the theme. My kiddos absolutely love these. My early finishers are one of the #1 things that my kiddos ask for me to change. Even if it's not the next month, they're asking for the next one. So they love doing these. Again, it's optional. They just turn it into a bucket and they can take them home if they want. So anyway, just an optional activity for them to continue working on their math skills.